Good morning, student. It is Mrs. Tanya, your English teacher, and I am here with the lesson Salvatore of prose. Last time I told you about dolphin, that is from poetry. So let us start this story. Now, this story, Salvatore, when you will move on, you will see this is by W. Somerset Maugham. He is the author of this story. This story is divided into three plots. First plot, where the character, the protagonist of the story, falls in love. Second, he become ill and he come back home. And third, he marry Ascenta and lived his life very happily. Here the author has chosen him because he has found something special in this character and he wanted to reflect to his reader the speciality, what did he see in this character. So he is the author. You can see the photo, W. Somerset Maugham, very compassionate author who always find some special character for his story, and also the character which will give out the positivity, which will reflect something great to the readers. Okay, you can see here in this picture the characters: Salvatore, Ascenta, their family, the girl from Grand Marine. Now the girl from Grand Marine is the beautiful girl whom Salvatore loves, and he wanted to marry her. But this story is the love story of a couple who never became one. Means they couldn't marry, and finally Salvatore had to marry someone else. But still he lived his life happily. The setting is in Italy, Naples, and the main theme of this story is goodness. Okay, this goodness you will see at the end of the story how this theme has been reflected. There are certain figure of speech which is given below. These are the lines of the story. When you will go on with the lines at your home, you can mark out these lines, you can underline it, and you can write above that what are the figure of speech of these lines. You can go through it. Okay, next is the key points what I have given here, that is how the story starts, what all you can see in this story, the character and all in a key points, like you can say the guidelines that is given. You can go through it. When you are seeing the video, you can pause and go through it, what are the main lines, and after that you can go on with the story. Now let me start with the story. Now the story is like that: the Salvatore, whom you can see, is a very nice character, a boy of 15, very carefree person with laughing mouth, carefree eyes and all. He is so thin as a rail. The author mentioned him as thin as a rail. He used to work with his father in his father's vineyard. He was a son of a fisherman, and you can call him too as an Italian fisherman. He used to spend his life very happily, and as he was growing up, he fell in love with a very beautiful girl of Grand Marine. The author described her too. He says that she had eyes like forest pools, held herself like a daughter of the Caesar. She used to carry herself like she is the daughter of the king, and she has so attractive, beautiful eyes. So here he fell in love, but there was a condition. What was the condition? The girl's parents told this boy, Salvatore, you can only marry my daughter when you will do the military service. They were engaged, but they were not married because there was a condition. Salvatore, who was so home loving person, he couldn't leave that place, the family, the girl, but still, as he loved that girl, he had to do so. So he went for his military service. He worked under King Victor Emmanuel, who was his officer. He worked there, but he did not find that peace. But he was going on, he was finding, he was so homesick. He was going on in his life, moving on, and one small hope was inside him that when I will complete my work, then definitely I am going to marry that girl, my beloved. So that hope was making him to survive. He was missing everyone, but going on. Suddenly what happened, he used to write letters to that girl with ill spellings and all. And one day he became so ill, he was hospitalized. The doctor told that he got rheumatism. Rheumatism is a disease where the joints get stiff and the person is unable to do any kind of work. He met with that disease. The doctor told you he will never get well and told him now he can no longer be in the military service. As you all know, in military, in police, in all these service, you should be fit from top to bottom. So he was unfit for the work, so he was sent home. Salvatore, in this meantime, he was very happy to go back home. He was thinking, he didn't listen to that word that he will never get well. He was happy that because of some disease I am going back home, and going back home I will get the love of my family, my beloved, and I will get well and I will move on. At least I can say that I have joined the military service. It was because of the disease I returned back. He wrote letter also to his beloved, and finally he reached his place. When he reached his place, he saw that his family was waiting for him when he got down from the boat, and his eyes were only searching for the beloved, for his girl. He did not see her. He asked his family about her. They also didn't reply anything. They said she did not come and all like thing, but nothing they said like this in that relation to that girl. Anyway, he came back home, but his heart, his eyes, everything was searching for her. And finally in the evening he dressed up, he went to that girl's house. As he went, he saw the girl and her mother was sitting. He was feeling so shy as he saw her after a long time, but there was not any kind of reaction or that same feeling on the face of the girl. Like they both were sitting with something to say to Salvatore. Salvatore went there and said, I have returned back and I have sent you also the letter and this all thing, and the doctors are talking all nonsense. I will get well because by getting the love of my family and everyone. So he was feeling so happy as he was thinking that I will marry this girl. But the girl straight away rejected Salvatore. The mother told her, just say what you want to say. The girl rejected him and said, I cannot marry a man who can no longer work like a strong man. You cannot work like a man. You are not well. You will never get well. So I cannot marry you. This word that I cannot marry you really depressed Salvatore. He was really hurted because straight away that girl told. She had no sense of hurt feeling or no sadness. Straight away she rejected. Salvatore anyhow went back. He came back home. He was really hurted. He was not knowing what to do, but as he came back, he came to know that his family was knowing about it. Because when Salvatore sent the letter, before that some of the boys of that place told this news to the people that Salvatore got this rheumatism and he is not going to get well, and this whole thing happened. So the girl's family before only decided that they are not going to allow their girl to marry Salvatore. They already told Salvatore's family, but Salvatore's family was keeping quiet because they never wanted to hurt Salvatore. Anyway, he cried a lot in his mother's bosom. He cried, but he did not blame that girl. That was the nature of Salvatore. He did not blame anyone. He moved on in his life, and finally his mother told him that there is a girl named Asenta who wants to marry Salvatore, and she has seen Salvatore in the festa. Festa means in one festival. She has seen him and she wants to marry him. Salvatore said that she's as ugly as devil. She said because Asenta was not at all beautiful, and Salvatore loved a beautiful girl. So he used that statement, she's as ugly as devil, but afterward he realized that he should not say so. So another thing, Asenta was older than Salvatore. Third thing, Asenta was also engaged to a man, but he was in military service and he was killed there. So these all problems were with Asenta, but she told Salvatore's mother that if you make me to marry your son, I will give him a boat, I will give him a vineyard and all these things, and she will support him. Salvatore finally said, okay, I'll see her. He went to the church to see Asenta, and finally he agreed for the marriage, and they both got married. After the marriage also, Salvatore was not able to give the same love or the same affection to Asenta as Asenta was giving him. Asenta was very obliged lady. She used to take care of her husband. She was managing everything in the family. She gave so much thing to Salvatore, but still she was never boasting of over anything. She was very respectful. She was very caring towards Salvatore. She wanted the same love from Salvatore, but she was not getting so. Anyhow, she moved on. She showed the same affection, and finally Salvatore also realized that he should also love her the same way. Slowly they started understanding each other, and finally they had two children. Salvatore was quite happy now, and see, even though he had rheumatism, that girl of Grand Marere rejected him, saying that you can never work. But he was the one who was working for the family. He had two children. He used to take them to the beach. He used to work there. He used to give them bath. He used to give them proper care. Everything was done. And he was like a good husband and also a good father. He used to take care of them very well. So it means that you cannot blame any person for his sickness or for something else. If that person has the willpower to live, or if there is the people to support him, then definitely he can move on in his life. Yes, he used to get some pain, some problems. He used to take rest a while, and he used to move on again. So the author finally want to reflect us the main thing, that he says that this man he has portrayed in the story to tell the reader the quality of him. And what quality did you all guess? The quality that tells that he is a person full of goodness and just goodness. That is the main reflection of this person, Salvatore. He is a person who had all good qualities. He didn't blame anyone, he didn't reject anyone, he didn't make anyone hurt, but he was moving on with his good quality to move on in a happy life. And see, with all this problem, he survived in his life because he got a good wife, got a beautiful children, and he got the support from his family. The rejection, everything was there inside him. Deeply it has hurted him, but he did not blame anyone. So, the reflection, what the author wants to tell us, that when you are good from inside, when you are kind, when you only see the positivity of the person, your face, your nature, your character only depicts the goodness. So that is the thing what the author wants to tell us in this story. I hope you all understood. Try to move on with the question answer. Thank you.